In this video, we're going to show how a user can replace the oxygen sensor on a bridge analyzer, MAP analyzer. So you want to make sure the analyzer is turned off, which is this switch here. And then we're going to remove the sample line and sample needle. And then we pull the analyzer out of the case. And that reveals the oxygen sensor, which is right here. We remove the black cap, unplug the connector, and now we can unscrew the oxygen sensor. It has an O-ring seal and screws into the base manifold there. You then get your new sensor, screw it in, just snug with your fingers, and then the connector goes back on and it's keyed, so there's only one way to put it on. Plugs in like so. You replace the black cap, return it to the case, and you're ready to operate.